What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll be unboxing and giving you a quick review of this Butterfly 1.5 liter electric kettle. So this I bought from Amazon for about 650 rupees. So and this is the package which I got from Amazon, and the delivery was also quick, that I got it within 2 days. And here are some Amazon branding on both of its side, and on the other side here is the label which shows my delivery address. And now let's quickly open this box and let's see what's inside. Now I have easily opened the box with the help of a knife, and there is another box inside it, as you can see here. I think this is the main box of this electric kettle. So let's quickly take this box aside, and let's keep this box down. So this is the box, and it is in a pretty bad condition. As you can see, there is so much damage on this top. I hope the products inside is quite safe. So that frequently happens when you are purchasing online. And on top here there are some kind of details mentioned, and what is the MRP mentioned on this box is 1030, but I got this for 650 rupees, so that's almost 400 rupees less than this price. So that's a really good deal for 650 rupees, I would say. And here are the specifications mentioned of this kettle. The capacity of this kettle is 1.5 liters. It is a stainless steel kettle, new modern design with filter, water level scale just like the others, and the safety cutoff. So that is the most important feature that has to be mentioned on this, because by mistakenly many times happens that you forget that you have kept the water for boiling, but by mistakenly if you forget like this, it will automatically cut off the electric supply of this. So now let's quickly open this box. So there is no any kind of seal on this, just a broken box. So and here is the first of all here is the thing which is going to attach the electricity, is the base of this kettle, the coil. As you can see, it is made up of plastics. Mostly in almost all of these kettles it is made up of plastic only, because they do not conduct electricity on the side. By mistake if you're keeping it on ground, so it will not conduct electricity to the ground, so it will be safe to use. That's why the reason they are providing it in plastic. And now let's take the main kettle outside. And what else is there in this box is I think it's a warranty card. Yeah, it's a warranty card for 1 year. So in case this gets spoiled within a year, so you can easily claim this warranty from the nearby Butterfly showroom, service center I mean. So let's keep this bill and box aside. Now this is the product. As you can see, it is been wrapped in a plastic. So let's quickly open this plastic. And this is the stainless steel the Butterfly 1.5 liter electric kettle, and here in this bottom it is branded as Butterfly, and here is the socket which get attached to this. There is not any kind of fixing in this, like it just slides into it pretty easily. You can just lift it without any kind of locking system is not there in this. And here is the on off switch, as you can see, and here is the power LED, and here is again a Butterfly branding. Now let's quickly open this. By clicking this you can easily open this lid, and this lid itself also made up of a plastic, and inside this also you can see this it is made up of stainless steel. While it is boiling, and this kettle may get easily very hot, so don't try to touch this while it is switched on. Just hold this with the help of this plastic handle. And here is the cable, and this cable is pretty long, as you can see. and the durability of this is I think it's really good. It's not at all looking cheap, so it's a really good quality of metal as well as plastic. Here is a vent through which you can drain the water, or you can pour the water in some vessel. And for that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any queries related to this product, you can leave a comment in the comment box below. So soon I may post a video regarding the complete review of this, how to use this kettle. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like the video. Please share the video. Thank you.